Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Take a marker and draw 9-1. Carefully draw 2 ears, 2 eyes, eye lobes. Cover that lobes, a ear, a mouth, and then a cute little panda is ready. Draw the trees, branches, leaves and color them according to your wish. Draw an 8, then twist and roll your marker around that 8. Make a beak, eyes, legs and color it accordingly. Your peacock is ready. Draw a circle and then a body. Draw 2 ears, eyes, nose, spots, legs, tail, then color it yellow. Your cute little giraffe is ready. Draw a twisted triangle, 2 another triangles intersecting them, 2 eyes in between, 1 nose and the body, 2 legs, a tail, wagging tail, whiskers and color it. Then draw a happy snake wagging its tail and covering its mouth, taking out its tongue just like this. Draw the spots accordingly. Then color the body part of the snake with dark green and its another part with yellow. Remember to make stripes and then your cute snake is ready. This snake doesn't look dangerous. Draw a circle, a semicircle above, 2 ears, 2 eyes, nose, mouth, whiskers, the spots, tail, 4 legs, then color accordingly. Color yellow in my preference. Draw 2 S, connect those 2 S with a line. Taking the line, make 2 B's. Draw petal-like structures on both ends. Draw 2 tails, 2 eyes, mouth and color the ears pink. Suspend 2 hearts in between. Take a green marker and draw B for 2 legs, its funny scale, yellow and its stripes, 2 eyes, mouth, ears, hand, leg and heart. Thank you for watching.